If you have had the same password on your Mac for a long time, or you simply want to update it for security reasons, changing your Mac's login password is actually pretty easy. In this video, I will show you exactly where to go in macOS to change your password. And don't worry, you don't need to install anything or use terminal. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Your Mac login password is not the same as your Apple account password. The login password is the one you use to unlock your Mac, while your Apple account password is used for services like iCloud and the App Store. So let's get started. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Now scroll down in the sidebar and click on Users and Groups. Here you will see the user accounts on your Mac. Find your account and click the Info button next to your username. You should now see an option called Change Password. Click on it. A new window will appear asking for your current password. Enter your existing Mac login password in the old password field. Next, enter the new password you want to use and then enter it again in the Verify field. You can also add a password hint. This can be useful if you are worried about forgetting your new password. Just keep in mind that the hint should not make your actual password obvious. Once everything looks good, click Change Password. And that's it, your Mac login password has now been changed. The next time you log into your Mac, you will need to enter the new password. If you normally use Touch ID to unlock your Mac, you can continue using it. But macOS will still require your password in certain situations, such as after restarting the Mac. One more thing, if you have forgotten your current Mac password, you won't be able to change it using these steps. Instead, you will need to use one of the password reset options available from the Mac login screen or macOS recovery. And that's how you can change your Mac password. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to iOS Hacker for more Mac, iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching.